Hey, feeling thirsty? How about a cold plastic bottle of water? Still thirsty? Great. Here's 1.5 billion more. That's how many plastic bottles we consume every day. And our love affair with plastic is choking the environment. Ah, your reusable bottle. And only thorough, intense scrubbing every day can clean them properly. Not to mention, there's that musty bottle smell that never seems to go away, even after multiple washes. But don't give up. Now there's a way to get fresh, clean water without smelly bottles or polluting plastics. Introducing Orin, the self-cleaning water bottle that purifies your water in seconds. With Orin, you can carry pure water wherever you go, whether it comes from the faucet, the fountain, or the river. So, how does it work? Orin uses UVC technology to clean itself and purify your water. To purify your water, just fill the bottle, close the lid, and touch the button. In just 60 seconds, now that's pure water. Take it with you anywhere. Orin is light, spill-proof, and sweat-proof. Carry it around in your bag all day without the risk of your electronics getting wet. Orin is ultra-tough and super insulated. It's made from corrosion-resistant and rust-proof 304 steel. Did we mention Orin is for more than just water? Orin is compatible with any beverage. Its double-walled design and vacuum insulation keeps your drinks cold for 24 hours or hot for 12.
With Orin, you can check the temperature of your drink at any time with its built-in temperature display. Orin can also remind you to keep you hydrated every hour.
When it's time to do the washing, Orin's extra-wide opening makes it simple to clean without brushes, squeegees, and cramped hands. Orin's 100% stainless steel build also makes sure that residue and smells don't stick. And the smell? Always fresh and neutral. Never bad bottle odor, no matter what you put inside. Don't worry about downtime. Orin lasts for up to 2 months on a single charge. And Orin's lifespan is about 300,000 uses. That's 6 purifications a day for 137 years. By using Orin, you can reduce your carbon footprint and help reduce global fossil fuel consumption every sip. If you need another reason, using Orin can save you hundreds of dollars a year on water filter replacements, plastic water bottles, and cleaning materials. For a healthier you and a healthier planet, experience clean water at the touch of a button. Experience Orin.
Let's be honest, COVID kicked everyone's ass. But thanks to vaccines, 2021 is the year we hit back. Give the finger to COVID-19 and flush the virus down the toilet. Literally, thanks to the Fuck COVID toilet paper.
Fuck COVID!
Va te faire foutre, coronavirus!
¡Vaffanculo, coronavirus!
Ey, coronavirus! Contágiame este!
Ich putze meinen Arsch mit dem Coronavirus.
5% of the profits will go to the COVID Response Fund to help the World Health Organization in its efforts to contain the pandemic. Join our Kickstarter campaign and donate now. Wipe your ass with the coronavirus and fuck COVID!
Hey, I'm Alex, founder of Mizu Towel. I would like to introduce you to the smartest, softest, and most durable towel ever made. Mizu combines world-famous Xinjiang cotton with pure silver to naturally eliminate bacterial growth, thus eliminating that musty towel smell once and for all. This works because silver naturally carries a positive charge. Upon contact with bacteria, silver strips an electron from the bacteria's membrane, preventing its reproduction and destroying it. But what about other non-bacterial contaminants that can be harmful to your skin and your health? Well, if you're like me, you'll do anything to stop from getting sick. What most people don't realize, however, is that towels can get dangerously contaminated. When we shower, clean our faces, or wipe our hands, oil, sweat, and residual soaps contaminate our towels. And they don't get removed unless it's washed. Meanwhile, your towel gets laced with more and more contaminants. We don't see this happening because microstains cannot be seen with the naked eye. In response, we created Mizu, a smart, self-cleaning towel with contaminant detecting technology. When Mizu's sensing areas get contaminated by oils, sweat, residual soaps, or bacterial metabolites, the color changes from blue to red to remind you when the towel needs to be cleaned. The color change is due to a special dye made from a unique blend of natural plant extracts. Mizu is made off the back of quality components. Xinjiang cotton has excellent water absorbency while still remaining light and airy. Each of these towels also has a twisted yarn weave, which minimizes dry time, promotes the circulation of oxygen, and also remains ultra soft and comfortable. Mizu is Japanese for water, and water is very important in the creation of a towel. Imabari, Japan is the towel making capital of the world, and their secret to success is metal-free soft water. We use the same soft water in our production process to give Mizu a luxurious softness and luscious absorbency. Mizu is also easy to clean. Just place it into your regular wash. The color will reset back to blue, and the cotton quality will unlock and get softer over time. Lastly, we have a message to the Kickstarter community that is tired of being let down by project creators. Mizu's prototype was loved by thousands of our trusting backers at the beginning of this year back in Asia. Unlike many crowdfunding campaigns, we're prepared to fulfill our backers' orders mere weeks after completion of the campaign. That's because Mizu Towel is a completed, real product that we have painstakingly concept tested, prototyped, and perfected for your homes and families. Your pledge as a backer will be used to secure our first minimum order quantity of Mizu towels. Back us today on Kickstarter and get your hands on the world's first self-cleaning and contaminant detecting towel at an unbeatable price that we will not be able to offer in the future. Thank you.
Hi, are you a spray bottle power user? Someone who works in the garage, around the yard, cleans in general? Or maybe you just have a strange way of cooling off on a hot day. Then you know this one just doesn't do the job. Introducing Pivot, a better way to spray. The Pivot spray bottle is the solution. It's a robust and ergonomic spray tool with a pivoting trigger sprayer that rotates 180 degrees. And comfort grip mean less hand and arm fatigue, allowing you to spray continuously at any angle and until the last drop. A dual safety lock to help secure the chemicals from unwanted use. Oh wait, can I get that bottle back? Here's what's wrong with these traditional spray bottles. As a power user, you know there are problems with spray bottles. When you get halfway through them, it'll hardly even spray without bubbles and air coming out. There's liquid in here, but this is all you get. Plus, you need to tilt the bottle in order to spray down. It's uncomfortable and can even lead to injury when the bottle is full. Also, there's a safety risk if kids get a hold of it and start spraying chemicals. Then there's storage. Ordinary spray bottles just take up too much space. Finally, it's top heavy. The next shift story starts years ago when Tyler and his wife Valerie worked at their family dry cleaners, where a need was identified and Pivot was invented. They are passionate about Pivot and committed to making this happen because they know how frustrating it can be to use a spray bottle that doesn't do the job right. They've been there and they know how you feel. You're tired of wasting time, you're tired of throwing cleaning solution out, you're tired of priming and getting nothing but air. Pivot is the answer.
Shine is reinventing the bathroom. Because even though the bathroom hasn't changed in a century, we have. So why do we spend time each week on the dirtiest job in the home, using brushes that just push germs around, while exposing our family and pets to harmful chemicals? And when anything goes wrong, even a simple fix warrants a call to an expensive plumber. What if the toilet could clean itself and tell you how to quickly fix it? Introducing the Shine Bathroom Assistant. Shine installs anywhere near your toilet in minutes. Just attach the Shine sensors to the water line and toilet bowl. Pour in some tap water, place an eco-friendly pod into Shine, and it will automatically clean and deodorize your toilet without chemicals. The secret to Shine's chemical-free cleaner is electrolyzed water. Developed in Japan to clean high-bacteria environments around sushi, Shine uses electricity to transform the tap water into electrolyzed water. This supercharged water is as powerful as bleach and 5 times more effective than traditional deodorizer sprays. Best of all, after it cleans your bowl, it turns back into a saline solution that's safe for plumbing and pets, leaving your bowl free of germs, sparkling clean, and smelling great, effortlessly. But when your toilet stops working, or takes forever to fill, the reasons can be unclear. That's why Shine uses an AI called Sam. Sam diagnoses your toilet problems in real time and notifies you with the issue, its cause, and how to fix it. Shine service even delivers free repair kits and video call support to fix the issue. Now you're back in business without a plumber. But to really make your toilet smart, Shine can detect the first sign of a leak or flood. Because household leaks in the US waste up to 1 trillion gallons of water annually. That's the equivalent of leaving your shower running for nearly 1 million years. Shine ensures that the bathroom is ready for you, so that you can be ready for the world. It's time to let your bathroom shine.
Hi, I'm Chris, founder of Shine Bathroom. We're reinventing the bathroom because even though it's where we prepare ourselves for the day ahead, the average bathroom isn't prepared for us. Shine uses automation to fix this by creating a bathroom experience that anticipates our needs, conforms to our wants, and delivers the care we deserve. The Shine team has built and delivered millions of electronic devices across the planet, and now we invite you to join us on our next journey. Together, we'll build the bathroom experience we deserve, one Shine product at a time. Thank you for your support. Alexa, ask Sam to clean the toilet.
Okay, I'm cleaning your toilet.